We are excited to announce a new CNC machinist pre-apprenticeship and apprenticeship program here at Ventura College.
The Ventura College students are great. They're fast learners, and we look forward to hiring them in the future.
All of our pre-apprentices have completed 100 hours of training. The training is intended to make the student a CNC machine operator.
School prepares you so that you're not stumbling. And once you get into your job, you learn the way that they want you to run.
The Ventura College Manufacturing Apprenticeship Program has made it easy for us to find qualified candidates to work in the manufacturing industry.
We look forward to partnering with more employers to continue to promote the economic vitality and prosperity of Ventura County.
If you are a local manufacturing business in Ventura County and are interested in hiring on an apprentice, please reach out to our Career Center at Ventura College.